The first ingredient that we will be adding to water is glycerin. This humectant will help the skin feel soft once the lotion is applied. While our water phase is mixing, we will begin to mix our oil phase. The first ingredient is Emulsipure Sunflower. This all-natural oil and water emulsifier will leave a velvety afterfeel on the skin. Next, we will add some Coco Glucoside to the oil phase. This will act as a thickener and stabilizer for our lotion. And now we will add a healthy portion of Shea Butter to this oil phase. This is going to be our main moisturizer within this lotion. And now we will begin to heat both the oil and water phase to an internal temperature of 65 degrees Celsius. Now that both the oil and water phase have reached an internal temperature of 65 degrees Celsius, we will begin to slowly add the oil to the water. This should thicken the water a considerable amount, and it will opacify it, so increasing the propeller may be necessary. Now we will allow this formulation to cool to room temperature so that we can add the rest of the formulation. Now that our lotion has cooled to room temperature, we will begin to add our technology, SalSphere BPO. This encapsulation of benzoyl peroxide into small particles allows for targeted delivery of BPO. Upon application, the spheres adhere to the pimples where they dissolve and slowly release the benzoyl peroxide. The encapsulation of the benzoyl peroxide also helps to improve its stability. And now we will mix this until uniform, and our BPO lotion is complete. This is our SalSphere BPO lotion. As you can see, it is a white emulsion, not super thick, but also not super thin, just like any other lotion might be. And here it is being dispensed out of a pump bottle. A small pea-size amount is used, and then it is rubbed onto the skin. As you can see, it absorbs fairly quickly, and the benzoyl peroxide within this formulation will help to target pimples and acne.